Welcome to Learn English Like a Native. A day at the library.
A day at the library offers a unique experience that combines learning, relaxation, and productivity. When you first arrive, you might explore different sections, such as fiction, nonfiction, periodicals, and reference materials. Each section has its own appeal. Fiction can take you into imaginative worlds, while nonfiction provides insights into real-world topics like history, science, or self-development. Libraries are designed for quiet study and research. Many have designated study areas, individual desks, and group study rooms. They also offer free access to computers and the internet, which can be helpful for research, work, or even entertainment. In addition to books, libraries often have collections of audiobooks, DVDs, and sometimes even music. They may also subscribe to various digital resources, allowing you to access ebooks, online journals, and educational databases from anywhere. Libraries frequently host events such as book clubs, author talks, and workshops on different subjects. These activities provide opportunities to learn something new, meet people with similar interests, or even develop new skills. Overall, a day at the library can be a mix of self-discovery, focused work, and community engagement. It's a space where you can explore new ideas, enjoy some quiet time, and make use of various resources all for free.
Some verbs and phrases.
1. Explore. You can explore different sections of the library. 2. Read. She loves to read fiction books in the quiet corner. 3. Study. Many students study for exams at the library. 4. Research. He did research on his project using library resources. 5. Access. You can access free computers and the internet here. 6. Borrow. You can borrow books and DVDs from the library. 7. Attend. People attend workshops and book clubs at the library. 8. Discover. Visitors discover new books and ideas every day. 9. Relax. The library is a perfect place to relax and read. 10. Meet. You can meet people with similar interests at events.
Some adjectives and phrases.
1. Quiet. The library is a quiet place to read and study. 2. Peaceful. It's a peaceful environment for focusing on work. 3. Educational. Libraries offer educational resources for everyone. 4. Helpful. The librarians are very helpful with finding books. 5. Resourceful. Libraries are resourceful for research and information. 6. Engaging. Book clubs are an engaging way to discuss literature. 7. Calm. The calm atmosphere helps people concentrate better. 8. Public. Public libraries are accessible to everyone in the community. 9. Diverse. There is a diverse selection of books to choose from. 10. Free. Most library services are free for all visitors.
Now try to read out loud. Keep it up, every lesson helps you get better. At English, we're excited to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to share and like and subscribe for more lessons.